Are you preparing for IELTS but you don't have right strategies to crack it and you're looking for the right guidance for your IELTS preparation? Then I'm here with the great news to share. Hi, this is Ashima from ForeignHut. I'm here to share incredible news with you. So today in this video, I am introducing our highly recommended IELTS Master Course. Yes, which will help you to score 8+ bands in your IELTS in your first attempt. Well, this comprehensive master course is designed by our experienced and certified IELTS trainer with 20 years of experience, which will help you to get your desired score in all the 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Immediately, if you enrolled in our course, you will get 30 days live face-to-face session with mock test that will be evaluated by our certified IELTS trainer, and you will get the recordings of the live sessions in case if you missed it. The best thing about ForeignHut IELTS online coaching program is that we will have small batches and there will be weekly doubt session as well. We will give you all the material and tips and tricks to boost your score to 8 bands in just 25 days. ForeignHut had already helped around 10,000 plus students to fulfill their dreams of going abroad. So enroll now in our live face-to-face session batch by clicking on the link below, and we give you 100% money back guarantee if you're not satisfied.